City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Upton County in west central Georgia, southeastern Talbot County in west central Georgia, northwestern Taylor County in west central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Howard, Oregon, 9 miles southeast of Talbot, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Junction City, Howard, Baldwinville, Plattsburgh, Carsonville, Wesley Church, Fickling Mill, and Salem. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.